So at this time, whenever you're not feeling, good about anything that is happening, you need to reach out to your counselor. वो आपको पूछेगा बेसिकली कि क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रही है। सर मेरे को स्लीप नहीं हो पा रहा है, या फिर मेरे को बार बार सपना आता है और बड़ा बड़ा बुरा बुरा ख्याल आता है। सो ऑल दिस कंडीशंस यू नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई फर्स्ट, एंड देन यू reach out to somebody who is a professional. A very good morning to all of you, and it's a Monday morning, and everybody out here and must be feeling what is it all about. Be casual and have a cool approach, because this is nothing that no new gyan or kind of information we are giving uh, to make sure that everybody feels a bit tensed up. तो मंडे मॉर्निंग मतलब लोगों के लिए आसान भी नहीं है कि मतलब सवेरे सवेरे एक ज्ञान वाला सेशन हो जाए। नो, so International Yoga Day, so I'm hopeful that everybody must have gone through um, doing the yoga, and it's a part of the system that we have to do it, especially at this corona times where immunity is a problem, and it has been suggested to go with some meditation, yoga, prayers, and all those stuffs. So I'm hopeful that some people might have already started doing it in the morning, or probably somebody would be doing it maybe later in the evening. And this is Zahid Akhtar. So I have been a trainer coach for almost 16, 17 years now. And I have been doing it uh, for the last 7 years. I have been majorly into a lot of counseling sessions to colleges, career related sessions, then personality development sessions to colleges, corporates, and obviously government institutions who are in deep need of you know um, skill set development, where they need to get trained on communication and personal development. So I would advise anybody have a question in the later of the day. So you have any questions? It is again a question. No question is right or wrong, and the answers are normally typically, maybe right or wrong in because in need to satisfy you mentally. So feel free to ask questions any point of time you feel you have something. We'll take up later in the day, and this is all about me. And in fact, so I represent a company called One Life, which is basically into mental health awareness and suicide prevention. So we have been doing it since last 2019. There was a urgent need of such kind of um, services, which people have been either not very much serious about it, or probably it was being ignored for a longer period of time. So that is why, and at that moment when we started, in fact, it was a kind of there was rigorous news about people losing their life through suicides, and in fact there was too much of mental anxieties and all those stuffs which were killing people directly or indirectly. So we started off this in 2019 October. Um, that was 10th of October, the World Mental Health Day, and since then we have never looked back. And we in this pandemic period we have been giving sessions with the psychologist and people who are counselors, who are career counselors, who are relationship counselors, and we have been giving services from all the domain where people can come from different domains and talk about mental health conditions. So feel free, even if you have anything in your mind and you want to talk to somebody. It is as normal as a physical health. So the way we consider physical health and reach out to our counselors and doctors, it is advisable that you also take time to review your mental health. And if something is going bad with you, please go ahead and talk to your trustworthy people or people whom you can trust, and speak out your condition, because this is just a taboo only because we have been probably ignoring it for a long. So let's not make it a taboo, because there are people and professionals who are the subject matter expertise, and they are going to help you out. So One Life is the organization that we have been, you know, we started in 2019, and since 2 years, and it's been, I mean, people have been having good time with the mental health conditions has improved over the time. So that's all about me. And as we say, for mental health, um, everything starts with your mind and ends up with your mind. So naturally, if we are positive, if we are thinking positive, there must be situations where things are not normal and it is abnormal. And in fact, you are not having a good time, you are having a sad time, or probably there are something that is bothering you. But then, and if your mind is positive that that particular emotion would not sustain for a longer period of time, that is mostly seen. And during this time, what we also recommend is so the current status is such that the first wave was still okay, where people were just too casual, or probably they didn't have that knowledge, and in fact, there were not much of death we were listening to. But second pandemic, in fact, the second wave was so much prominent and in fact killing that we have almost lost a couple of, in fact, family members and close relatives and all those stuffs. And I do not say that it is something that you have to come out of it and come in a day or two. But I just want to say that this should not be hanging around on your mind, dealing with these problems and issues. This is more killing because, again, if you there are instances of mental health problems, no COVID, so we cannot expect people to die um, other for any other reasons other than COVID. And even other for other reasons, we want them to counsel themselves first. So non-COVID deaths are mostly because of your depression and anxiety, and it's taking lives of a lot of people. So our recommendation is during these kind of period when you are losing your loved ones and you are feeling sad about your future and career, and same goes with your um, uh, kids who are and students who are having a tough time. Um, the main objective is to make sure that you divert your attention towards something productive, something innovative, something very impressive, or what do you say is interesting in terms of maybe your hobbies or interest. So why do we do this? Why do we divert the attention towards something of that sort? Because diversion is the only way when you would be spending time on your own creativity and hobbies. And I know it is tough. So when you are going through bad phase, it is really tough to divert your attention. So, but then you have to take a chance and make a journal and a journal entry of daily activities. So, two things I would like to mention. First is you have to divert your attention towards something productive. Second is basically schedule a task for a day. So we tell it as a journal entry. So on daily basis, you make a journal entry for a couple of days, maybe a month or so, and there are a lot of people who must be thinking that, in fact, they have been suggested that when you do a journal entry, like what you do in a day, right, and you enter it on a piece of paper, it develops you indirectly. So there is a proper scheduling of your task, and you have your time and energy for every little activity that you do in a day. And when you do it for a couple of days, end of the evening, you have to just make sure what all I did in a day. So that also gives you a very feeling of happiness and a person who is achieving on daily basis. And you'll have the gratitude, feeling of gratitude in yourself that yes, I have achieved so many things in a day, or probably something I have missed. Maybe I'll take up tomorrow. Scheduling is very necessary because even your kids and students I have been talking to, they have a tough time, managing time and all those. So for the interest and productivity, it is advisable you take up some tasks which are your hobbies. You might be thinking in fact, there are instances and cases where there are a lot of people in these days in this pandemic period have taken up creativity and some tasks that which other people didn't know about it. So some people have come up with dancing, singing, for an instance, or maybe writing something, and book reading, storytelling. There are a lot of things, and people do share all this on the social media. Um, to gain encouragement and appreciation from fellow members. Very advisable. In fact, it has helped us, helped a lot of us. And in identifying, there are some special thing in each one of us, and that needs to be, boosted at right away. Um, since this is primarily a session for the faculties, and I covered almost two of the things. Main was with the scheduling, that you need to schedule and schedule a time for a day. In fact, second one is taking time to do some creative and productive things, which will boost your career, your mental health, your personal life. Because if you're happy with certain things, then obviously it will also diverting you from a lot of negativity that is floating around the news, the media, and things that are going down around. So this is all about me and what we do. And in fact, I suggested a couple of things to you. I would be ready to take questions if you have uh, in the rest of the time, so that you feel free and you have anything in your mind, because it needs to be talked about. This is the major problem in fact most of the organizations and places, that people don't dare to speak, in fact, and it remains them with them for a longer period of time. And that is one of the reason why our things keep hanging there for a longer time, and we don't have a solution, and finally it gets into deeper problems. And so the you should be always speaking about whatever you are going through. And we'll take up a couple of questions because it's related to mental health. So the beauty of this kind of platform is that even if it's going on your mind and you're not able to ask, there are other people in the group who will ask the same question and you'll get your answers. So we are also recording this program, so that even if people, they want to see it later on, or want to share it with someone, they can also, do the same. Um, that's all from me. I'm ready to take the questions, and we can carry on with the next of the steps.
Okay. Yeah, thank you, sir. Sir, I would like to ask one question. My name is Ajit Mohanty.
Hmm. Hi, Jit.
So, sir, yes, my question is that maybe it may be a stupid question one, but still I would like to ask this question. So, how does someone know that he or she is not well with his or her mental health? What would be the state of mind? Suppose I am happy, that means my mental health is well, and if I am sad, that my mental health is not well. So, is it
Okay,
so or something like that?
I'll tell you. Very simple thing to. In fact, this is one of the most common things that is happening. So a lot of people are not aware that their mental state is not good, right? Now, this is nothing, just an emotional, you know, um, balance that we need to do. So we are sad, we are happy, we are furious at times. We show different kind of emotions, and these are all mental health. I mean, it is related to mental health. So having an emotional balance is much needed, and it is important. If somebody is dead, and it is it's natural to feel sad about it, or feel very bad about it, or you'll start thinking, it will give you probably depression as well, that I have lost somebody. But then, yeah, 1 or 2 days it is still okay. But if it is going on there for a longer period of time, that means there is a problem in you. You're not able to accept that things have gone wrong. And we always suggest that if you have such problems, one typical problems, and maybe there are loss of sleep. There are a lot of people who there are a lot of things going on their mind, and they have been ignoring it for a longer period of time, and but they are having a sleeping disorder. So that's again a mental health problem. So feeling sad about something for a period of time, it's still okay. It is very normal to, as a human, it is very normal. But then if that hangs on your mind for a longer period of time, then there is a problem. You need to speak to your counselor or anybody. Now, in India perspective, I don't see there are people trying to speak with the counselors, but in Western countries, just like the way we do a routine checkup once in a 6 months. They have a routine checkup for mental health conditions once in 6 months, along with the physical health. So again, we have to break the taboo. So we have people and counselors speak to them. Even if you're feeling happy in 6 months, you're feeling happy, you're feeling good, and you want to share this, right? Share this with your counselors, and they would be most happiest person. Oh, fine, at least you are at a better stage, right? So it's very normal. So you have to identify that something is not going, hanging for a longer period of time. That is a bad. Otherwise, normal in normal conditions. So it's okay to feel sad, anxiety, and depressed. It's okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Prachi, we are ready to take calls. Anybody who the questions? Anybody who has a question, they can directly speak out.
Okay, sir. So, sirs and madams, if you have any questions relating to this mental health and all, we can directly ask to Jahid sir.
Okay, till the time we get a question, so I'll have something. So I'll give you a very simple, easy task. We talk about gratitude, we talk about focus, right? There are a lot of people who don't have, they have problems with focus and how to divert yourself in this current world when you're towards something very productive, something very innovative or interesting, or probably towards something that is your hobby. Now, the diverting is like I'll just give you a simple activity, and I would like you to participate, everybody to participate in this. Um, because I just wanted to know whether everybody is on the same plate, right? You will feel how to go about the activity. I'll just tell you. So let's do an activity. Just identify green colors surrounding you. Any substance that are of green color around you. Any item, substance, maybe. Can you identify?
Yes, I identified
What is it?
a sari and the wall of our room, my room.
Okay. What else?
Then sari, wall of my room, one painting, one photograph,
Okay.
and one bottle. I can
Very
see one
nice.
bottle, water bottle.
Anybody else would like to say what they see around them in green color?
Plants.
Plants. That's it. Now you can see it, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Uh, tell me some more. You can see. Mr. Uttam, please tell me. Prachi, do you see anything around in green color?
Yes, from my window I can see the plants.
Okay. Anything else?
One bag near me that is also of
Okay.
green color. Yes.
Very nice. Now,
Green color dress.
okay. Green, and what? Mr. Vijay, and what?
Green color
Green color.
dress.
Start looking and tell. Okay. Cool enough. So now identify yellow color around you and tell me what exactly, what all you see in yellow color. Ajit,
Yes.
can you see things that are of yellow color around you? Can you identify?
My bed, nothing.
There's some networking issues. I'm not able to hear you. Anybody else can speak? Anything that is of yellow color around you?
Good morning, sir. My son.
Yes,
Okay,
Mamta, ma'am.
sir.
Tell me.
My son's book cover is of yellow color,
What else?
and and wa- coconut oil bottle is
Okay.
also yellow color.
What else?
And we used atta packet of yellow color.
Very good. What else?
Pillow cover, bed sheet, my sari is also of yellow color.
So much, so many yellow colors inside your place, huh?
Yes, sir.
Interesting.
Thank you.
One last time. So identify something in orange color. Anybody can say. Somebody who has not said right away. Anybody?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Meera. Tell me.
Sir,
What all you
my
see in orange color? Yeah.
daughter's bottle is yellow color,
Okay. Not yellow, orange.
orange color. Sorry, sir, orange color.
Mhm. Hmm.
Uh, uh, her dress is also orange color.
Okay. What
Bottle
else?
also.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, my sari also, sir.
Very nice. Now, everybody, just can you identify? There are a lot of colors around you.
Yes.
Yes,
How
sir.
many colors in total? Just an average. How many colors you see inside your home? There would be multiple, right?
Eight.
7, 8, 7, 8, 10, 12. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
this is what the problem is. In fact, that is what a solution is. Now, when somebody tells you, if there are so many colors inside your place, right? But I am asking you to identify a single particular color, and then the entire focus goes into that particular color, right? And you start looking out for it. So you forget every other color, but you identify that particular color which I am telling you, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So that is what feeling of positivity, is. It's up to you. So once your mind allows you to start identifying your key focus area, something that you like doing, something which is positive, your entire mind takes into focus only that particular thing. So whatever is going around, hanging around you in terms of sadness or probably demotivating factors and corona related problems, right? But if your intentions, your mind diverts you towards something, very positive, proactive, innovative, then it takes you, actually you are getting diverted from those negativity towards a positive thing. So that's what a complete program is all about. I wanted to do this activity, and I'm thankful that a lot of people actually contributed. So now understand your mind is the one who controls everything, controls the emotions, controls your, not even controls. So mind never controls anything. It's like the variation is there, but you yourself is responsible for how to manage your emotions, how you manage your emotional balance. It is very easy to have problems in life, but then how to come over it? The very first thing during this problem is acceptance of the problem. Now, what acceptance means, that yes, something bad has happened, something good has happened, something worst has happened, and I have to accept it. The second step is go to the next level, move forward. What is move forward? Move forward is only achievable when you accept the things and go forward. You leave it as it is there. Now you understand that there are problems in my life and you accept it. What next? What should I be doing to come over it? That is the next step. And most of the people remain there in the acceptance mode for a longer period of time. Then there are people who are not even accept it the way it is. They also get into deep depression, and finally they get into some deeper problems. So the first thing is you have to accept that some of my, some I have lost someone, or at this pandemic, there are a lot of tough times is to come. You accept it. Then you go to the next step, that is way forward. What next? How shall I come over it? Much needed. Thank you so much. I'm ready to take questions, guys. We have very less time. In fact, in another couple of minutes, we'll also take a good number of questions if you have anything going on in your mind.
Yeah. Another question in my mind, sir. Right, sir. Another question is my mind.
Yes, yes, Ajit.
So can I ask right now?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yes. So I was waiting for the people. Hi. Yes, I was not asking this question because I was waiting some other people to pitch in. For that reason, I was not
No
asking
issue.
back to back. So
No
second
issue.
question is when I'm trying to spend time with my family, my boss or my manager is not happy with me because and when I'm trying to on the same country, if I'm trying to make my boss happy, my family is also not happy with me. So what are the cures for that kind of issues? So is it possible to, as in today's era, is it possible to keep this mental health irrespective of these things?
Yes, it is very important. It's very easy. It is up to you how you deal with it. And I would only suggest that you're not here for, making everybody happy around you. So you should be doing what makes you happy, right? And when you are happy, you keep others happy. It's a very kind of give and take situations. A mind which is happy, a heart that feels happy, makes other people happy. So if you are sad enough or you are into deep depression, there is a probability that you would also not be happy with somebody living a happy life, right? And you cannot help anybody who is into depression because you yourself is into depression. So it's a give and take kind of son. And again, if it's in a corporate world, it's everywhere. People expect from only those who meet up expectation. Maybe think the other side of it. The manager is not happy. Why should not be happy with you? That's a question, right? Why do you think that he would not be happy? Everybody is at current situation is actually doing things virtually, right? And everybody understand the pain of getting back to homes, staying at home and doing stuffs. Working hours in these days have increased. Like 8 hours you spending in your initial, in fact your normal days. Now you're spending around 12 to 16 days on a regular basis. The happiest part is basically your job is intact. The happiest part is that you have not looked about the happy part of it. Your job is intact, and your family is like in a condition that they are actually coping up with the situation. There are a lot of peoples and families who have lost their loved ones, who have lost their jobs, and not able to catch up with the present scenario. There are a lot of financial strain. So if you consider all of these things, and whenever in these kind of problems, try to identify a person who is below you, or much in a very better position than you, right? So people are having job losses, people are having financial losses, people want to do a lot of things in their life, but the current situation is not allowing them to do, right? So think about them, and when you think about them, then you'll feel that your job is intact and you're happy, and try to keep your people around so your manager has got nothing to do with your family is your personal life. Don't have your personal life impact your professional life, and the vice versa. So that's all from my thing. In fact, there is no problem at all. I don't see it as a problem. Maybe you have to rethink on the kind of approach. It's okay. Be casual, be cool, do your job properly, be responsible, and that's enough. That is the only thing people are expecting out of you. Hope that answers your question, Ajit.
Yes. Even I do have one more question also. So I'm waiting if somebody is asking, some other people are asking, then I will go after that.
So anybody else? Anybody else, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Mamta madam, tell me.
Sir, actually, we like work with the people that we like them. But
I'm sorry, I'm not able to get it. नहीं,
मतलब
आप
हम
हाँ हाँ
हाँ
आराम से हिंदी में बोलिए. सी इट्स अ
हाँ
वेरी
हाँ हाँ
कैजुअल अप्रोच. हाँ
हम
बोलिए, कोई
जिसको
दिक्कत नहीं.
चाहते हैं उनके साथ काम करने में हमको अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन एक एक वक्त आता है कि
जी
हम लोग उनको नहीं चाहते हैं लेकिन उनके साथ काम करना पड़ता है,
जी
चाहे वो किसी भी टाइप ऑफ वर्क हो।
जी
तो उस टाइम हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि मेंटली हम लोग सेटिस्फाइड नहीं रहते हैं कि ये मेरे साथ काम ना करे, जो भी हो
जी.
ये मेरे साथ काम ना करे, तो उसके साथ हम लोग कैसे एडजस्ट करेंगे?
5 उंगलियां हैं. दे आर नॉट ऑल सेम, राइट?
यस
अगर
सर।
इसको आप एक एक जैसा बना दो, आप विल इट वर्क प्रॉपरली?
नो।
नहीं, ये क्यों नहीं करेगा बताइए. एक्स में छोटा है, मतलब बड़ा ऑड नहीं लगता ये 5 उंगलियां जो आपको दिख रही हैं? किसी का साइज छोटा है, किसी का साइज बड़ा है और थोड़ा मोटा भी है, कोई साइड में लगा हुआ है, राइट? अगर हम इसको सबको एक जैसा कर देंगे, विल इट लुक गुड? लुक गुड तो अलग छोड़ दो, क्योंकि वो तो चलो एक माइंडसेट है कि हमने शुरू से ऐसे ही देखा है, तो हम एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं कि यही है, हमारा हाथ ऐसे ही है, राइट? बट अगर हम बोलें कि ये सबका सबका बोलते नहीं, सबको एक समान कर देंगे, इज इट पॉसिबल? नहीं, क्योंकि सबकी अपनी अपनी स्पेशलिटी है, सबकी अपनी अपनी तरीके हैं, सब अलग अलग, सबका एक अलग अलग फंक्शन है. किसी बंदे का अगर एक उंगली, जो बोलते हैं ना छोटी उंगली, इसको काट देंगे तो 4 उंगली में बहुत सारी चीजें टफ हो जाएंगी. किसी का अंगूठा अगर निकल गया तो 4 उंगलियों से आपको बहुत सारे काम में प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. तो किसी भी एक जगह से कोई भी उंगली आप निकाल दो, it is not the whole hand would not function properly. So that is how people are made up. Every person is different, unique. That is what a people management is all about. आप जिस रोल में हैं, आप लोग पीपल मैनेजमेंट रोल में हैं, काइंड ऑफ, जहाँ पे आप लोग बहुत सारे लोगों को इंडिविजुअली मैनेज करते हैं, राइट? किसी को कोई गुस्सा है, कोई किसका एटीट्यूड प्रॉब्लम है, लेकिन आप कोशिश करिए कि एवरी पर्सन इज डिफरेंट एंड यूनिक, एंड उनका जो वो ये ना आपका जो अप्रोच है उन लोगों का, या उन लोगों का जो तरीका है जिसे हम लोग बोलते हैं, उसके पीछे उनकी फैमिली या उनका बैकग्राउंड मतलब का कुछ अच्छा चीज है या प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, आप बोल सकते हो. बट माई ऑब्जेक्टिव इज टू मेक श्योर दैट आई एम गोइंग टू डील विद एवरी अदर पर्सन इंडिविजुअल लेवल में. मैं बात कर सकती हूँ ऐसे लोगों के साथ में, वर्क अराउंड कर सकती हूँ कि क्या चीज इनको अच्छी लगती नहीं है मेरे साथ. बातों बातों में कभी पूछ दिया करो, यार मतलब आप लोग काम तो आपको भी करना है, मेरे को भी करना है, ठीक है? तो आप प्रॉपर वे से हम हार्मनी के साथ में काम करें तो बेहतर है. इट इज एडवाइजेबल बिकॉज इफ यू आर हम्बल एंड यू आर assertive, people will accept you sooner or later. बट अगर आप भी उसके जैसे अगर एटीट्यूड करेंगे तो वो आपके अंदर में कभी चीजें ठीक नहीं. और आपका ये कभी कोशिश भी नहीं होना चाहिए कि मैं लोगों को चेंज करूं, मैं अपने आप को चेंज करूंगी. दैट इज एनफ फॉर मी. That's how even I do a lot of things. I used to be very aggressive couple of years back, 5-6 years back, very aggressive, very into kind of saying something just upfront if I don't like the person, right? But then later on I realized it is very good to be assertive. It's like you are loved by everybody. ममता मैडम को देखने के बाद सब लोगों को लगना चाहिए यार, ये मैम का मतलब एटीट्यूड, ये तरीका, एंड शी इज वेरी कूल, कैजुअल, एंड फैक्ट शी इज वेरी हैप्पी पर्सन whom anybody can trust or talk to, right? So वो एटीट्यूड के लिए आपको काम करना चाहिए, वो assertive एटीट्यूड होता है. So always think about developing yourself. You should not be changing other person's attitude or ego. उनका एटीट्यूड ईगो चेंज तभी होगा जब आपको देखेगा, आपका प्रेजेंस देखेगा, या आप लोगों को देखेगा कि आप लोग कितने अच्छे तरीके से करते हैं. इट चेंजेस पीपल. दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम मी. होप दैट आंसर्स योर क्वेश्चन.
थैंक यू सर.
थैंक यू.
ओके सर. ओके.
So Mamta ma'am is actually happy and cool, right? So quite visible. She is very proactive. So I can also visualize people and get to know a lot of things about them, even if I have not met her. Anybody else? We just have 15 minutes, by the way, let me tell you.
Yes, sir. I have a question.
Yeah, please प्लीज प्राची।
ओके, सो मेरा क्वेश्चन सर ये है, ये
जी।
जो अभी जो कोविड का सिचुएशन है,
हम्म।
सो लास्ट ईयर ये मार्च के महीने से चल रहा है। तो
जी।
लास्ट ईयर क्या था ना, क्योंकि उड़ीसा का केस इतना ज्यादा नहीं था, तो
हम्म।
हम लोग सब प्रिकॉशन ले रहे थे, तो इतना डर हमारे अंदर, मतलब हमको इतना वो प्रेशराइज नहीं कर रहा था।
जी।
पर दिस ईयर, अभी ये साल का जो सिचुएशन है, ये कहीं ना कहीं सबको हर तरह से ये पूरा झिंझोर दिया हुआ है। लाइक हर कोई टेंशन में है कि अरे कल को शायद मुझे कोविड हो जाए, मेरे परिवार को हो जाए। सो मतलब हर कोई टेंशन में रहता है हमेशा के लिए। ये मैं अपने बारे में बोल रही हूँ, तो मे भी ये सबके साथ भी हो सकता है। तो टेंशन पूरा रहता है हर दम कि मतलब कैसे ये टेंशन से हम कैसे निकले, क्योंकि हमें मालूम है हमें प्रिकॉशन लेना है और हमें ये चीज सब करने हैं। ताकि दिमाग में आने से एक नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट आ जाता है, तो जो कि हमें मजबूर करता है वो सब सोचने के लिए। सो वो सबको हम कैसे अपने दिमाग से लाइक निकाल पाए।
थैंक यू प्राची फॉर दैट। इनफैक्ट मैं आपको बता दूं, शायद यही चीज मैं स्टार्टिंग में भी बता रहा था कि ऐसे केसेस में आपको डाइवर्ट करना है। इट इज वेरी नेचुरल, बिकॉज आप ऐसे लोगों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं जो लोगों को आप अंतिम क्षणों में देख नहीं पाए। कई लोग ऐसे हैं कि काश मैं उससे मिल पाता, उसको देख सकता, राइट। वो चीज हो रहा है। सैड होना, फीलिंग सैड, बट अगेन द अदर डे यू हैव टू मेक योरसेल्फ फॉर दी ब्रॉडर एस्पेक्ट। या फिर आप सोच सकते हैं कि जिंदगी तो चलनी है और जिंदगी जीने का नाम है। आप तो प्रॉब्लम्स में आएंगे तो उससे आपको डीप डिप्रेशन होगा। और दैट इज व्हाई इवन इफ दिस प्रोग्राम इफ यू कंसिडर, जीता मीता मैडम ने इसको करवाया था, एंड इट वाज शी हैज द काइंड ऑफ when she was when we arranged this program, before that she was quite impressed with one of the programs. Her kid actually her girl actually went through and has seen the response from the other side, that people are so happy, and in fact the students are so happy to know that their questions are getting answered, how to actually cope up the situations. Then we thought of doing it for the ITIs and students and teachers, बिकॉज देर इज अ होप बिल्डिंग एक्टिविटी। उम्मीद एक चीज ऐसा है कि आपको एक टाइम में ना उम्मीद हो जाते हो, लेकिन आपको तो जिंदगी तो चलती रहती है ना। तो आप उनके जिंदगी में साथ चलो या ना चलो या पीछे पैर हो जाओ, लेकिन लाइफ हैज टू मूव ऑन, द शो मस्ट गो ऑन। राज कपूर साहब जो बोलते थे कि द शो मस्ट गो ऑन, पहले हमको समझ में नहीं आता था, आज समझ में आता है क्यों बोलते हैं, क्योंकि जिंदगी रुकती नहीं है। तो इसके साथ मैं एक चीज और बोलूंगा, जब आप जिंदगी का पर्पस और एक मीनिंग जान लेते हैं, तो then it also becomes easy for you to cope up with the situation. Every person in their life need to understand that what is the meaning, true meaning of their life, what is that you want to achieve in your life. आप दो चीजें हैं कि आप जिसकी वजह से आपको लोग याद करते हैं। पहला चीज है कि आप अपनी फैमिली और अपने आस पड़ोस के लोगों के लिए क्या करके जाते हो, फैमिली के लिए क्या करके जाते हो टिपिकली। तो अगर आप फैमिली के लिए अगर कुछ सोचे हो, तो डेफिनेटली वो आपको अचीव करने के लिए आप उसमें ज्यादा टाइम निभाएंगे। बट जब व्हेन यू थिंक अबाउट सोसाइटी इन अ ब्रॉडर पर्सपेक्ट, तो आप जाते वक्त क्या ऐसा हो कि मेरे सोसाइटी में जाने के बाद भी मुझे याद रखे। हर इंसान को वो चीज रहता है, राइट। एंड पीपल, when you think that you have found the true meaning of your life, what you want to achieve and give back to the society, it becomes easy for you to actually cope up with this current situation. आप और मैं मेरा देखिए अक्सर टाइम जाता है कि मैं सोसाइटी को बिल्डअप करने के लिए आई एम with lot of NGOs doing plantations. I do a negative blood donations through volunteership. So कई बार फोन ऐसे आते हैं कि मेरा ये फलाना मतलब बंदा वेंटिलेटर में है और उसको नेगेटिव ब्लड चाहिए, राइट। और हम फिर पूरा जान से लग जाते हैं कैसे भी उसको नेगेटिव ब्लड मिले। तो पूरा वॉलंटरी, इट टेक्स लॉट ऑफ टाइम, लॉट ऑफ पेशेंस। कई लोगों का क्या क्या चीज सुनना पड़ता है, अटेंड करना पड़ता है। लेकिन एंड ऑफ द डे जब आप ये सुनते हो कि फैमिली का कोई एक बंदा आपको कॉल बैक करके थे, सर वो ब्लड अरेंज हो गया, थैंक यू सो मच, तो आपको कैसा लगता है, आप बताइए। तो आपको इतना भी दिखता है कि यार लोग कितने कितने गम वाले सिचुएशन में हैं, हमारा तो फिर भी बहुत कम है एक्चुअली। तो वो लाइफ आपको जीना चाहिए, आपको लोगों का मदद करना चाहिए। तो आप जब उस तरह से लिहाज में सोचेंगे कि मैं सोसाइटी को गिव बैक कैसे करूं, then obviously you will come out of all those depression and anxiety, which is a very normal scenario. आप उसमें hang on मत करिए, that's it.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
सर एक्चुअली आई हैव ए क्वेश्चन।
Monali.
जैसे कि हाँ, जैसे कि बच्चे लोग, हम जानते हैं कि बच्चे लोगों का स्टैंडर्ड कितना है, हमारे
जी।
बच्चे का स्टैंडर्ड कितना है, लेकिन हम लोग उससे बहुत ज्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशन रखते हैं। लेकिन जब रिजल्ट आता है, बच्चा अगर उससे थोड़ा कम होता है तो पेरेंट्स लोग ज्यादातर पूरा टूट जाते हैं। बोलते हैं कि हम लोग इतना किए इसके लिए, फिर भी वो कुछ डेवलप नहीं कर रहा है, कुछ इतना ये नहीं कर रहा है। तो उन लोगों को हम लोग कैसे समझाएं कि नहीं, मैंने बच्चे का मैंने कैसे समझाएं उनको?
नहीं, आप एक अपने बच्चे के लिहाज से बोल रहे हो या टीचर्स के हिसाब
नहीं,
से बोल
मेरे
रहे हो?
बच्चे के नहीं, मेरे कजन
टीचर।
ब्रदर। यस।
हाँ, मैं समझ गया। सो बेसिकली यस, विद द कॉम्पिटिटिव वर्ल्ड और आजकल जो करंट सिचुएशन है, सो पेरेंट्स कुछ हद से ज्यादा एक्सपेक्ट करने लगे हैं, राइट? एक्सपेक्ट तो करते हैं, बट दे आर नॉट ऑल्सो गिविंग टाइम टू देम, राइट? सो इट्स अ म्यूचुअल कंसेंट बिटवीन योर किड एंड योरसेल्फ कि आपको एग्जैक्टली क्या है, बच्चों को क्या चीज चाहिए, क्या वो पसंद करता है, तो एक म्यूचुअल कंसेंट होता है। द थिंग इज दैट आजकल जो हो गया, आजकल बेसिकली ब्लेम को शिफ्ट कर दिया जाता है, राइट? और यू डोंट स्पेंड टाइम मच टाइम विथ योर किड्स। दैट इज वन ऑफ द रीजंस व्हाई प्रॉब्लम होती है। इन फैक्ट it is better to be having a mutual consent between your kids. पहले क्या होता था कि हमारे टाइम में, जो आप जानते हैं, so it's from the grandparents to teachers to parents, everybody was giving proper time to their kids. और उससे क्या होता था ना कि ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट होता था। पर अभी क्या है ना, अभी काफी न्यूक्लियर हो गया, फैमिलीज भी न्यूक्लियर हो गई हैं, एंड ड्यू टू दिस फास्ट वर्ल्ड एवरीबडी वांट्स टू एक्सपेक्टेशंस भी बढ़ गई हैं। So this is why it is a major problem. You can sort it out with your properly with your kids. क्या करना चाहता है, उसको स्पेस दीजिए, उसके इंटरेस्ट और हॉबीज को भी कंसीडर करिए एट द सेम टाइम, ताकि वो मैनेज कर पाए प्रॉपरली। स्केड्यूलिंग करवाइए कि यू हैव दिस टाइम फॉर reading, this time for your personal activities, this time for this and that, everything. Have an eye on it, but don't always try to get into over involvement जहाँ पे उसको भी आप bother करना शुरू करें। So things have been tough due to all this pandemic period, which even I agree that the mental health condition of the kids are not that good. So I think that has to be worked out with the parents. So you need to give time to your kids, listening to them, and say what you can do for them, right? So आप उनको अकेला नहीं छोड़ सकते. That is the most important thing. Try work out on that. Prachi, there are any more, because we are just running out of time. It's almost 5-10 minutes more left.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, Subhashini.
Sir.
Good morning. Yeah, tell me.
Good morning. I have a question, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
go ahead.
just a simple question, sir.
Mhm.
Actually, mental health means what, sir? Just this happiness or absence of mental illness? Kindly, sir, elaborate this.
Okay.
What is the meaning of mental?
Just like the way you
mental
have.
health, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
just like, so mental health is a part of your overall health. So overall health, there are two things. One is your physical health, the other is mental health. Physical health is all about your physicality, where you have some problems related to physical problems. Mental is
Yes, sir.
mental illness is basically your things and stuffs related to your psychology, your mind, and your thinking, your stress, anxiety, depression, your happiness, your sadness. All these things relate to mental health. So the emotional balance is talks about. So imbalances happening due to your emotional stuffs has a direct relevance to mental illness. So that's all. It's all related to your mind. So that is it. So definition wise, you understand better. that it is related to mind only. And so it is very sad that a lot of people don't consider much, and they are mentally ill, but they carry on with the same kind of condition for long odd years. So 10, 15, 5 years, 2 years. But frankly speaking, you need to identify if it's something is bothering you and something is not good and something that is not letting you sleep. So these are all mental health conditions, right? So you need to speak to your counselor on an immediate basis. And trust me, one or two sitting or one or two talks, your stuffs are gone. Right? It's a very simple condition, but people make it very worse and they get into deep depression. Jagdish Rao, hello, sir. Hello, hi. Yeah, please go ahead, Jagdish. Mr. Jagdish, you can speak. I want to control my mind for not sleeping. Not sleeping. Jagdish, if you can just unmute and speak.
Hello.
Mr. Jagdish has a
Hello,
question. Yeah. Mr. Jagdish has a question that I don't want to sleep. So I don't know where's the problem is. Why you don't want to sleep? I'm curious to know why you don't want to sleep. There was somebody else also asking.
Hello.
Yeah, Meera, tell me.
सर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है
Go ahead.
हाउ टू इम्प्रूव आवर मेंटल हेल्थ.
Okay, nice. So that's a nice question. In fact, I think I told about this as a kind of. So you should be properly scheduling your daily work, which has a time for your personal development. You should be talking. You should be doing some stuff that is helping you out to come over the situation that is going around bad or demotivating. So stuffs like you can also talk to people around you who needs your help and suggestion during these times. You should be helping out the society in the deep crucial time. Just a phone call to a person who is going through distress is actually going to help you, because that's how you help yourself as well. You'll feel better about helping somebody. So whenever you have anything to give back to the society or help somebody, then obviously it gives a very good feeling. I talked about blood donation, right? So it kept me busy for the entire day. But when I went back to sleep, I can sleep peacefully and with a lot of happiness that at least I was able to save somebody's life. So you should be doing all this creative work and engagement work, getting positive, inspiring other people, talking to people when they need you. So these are the things that you need to do, exercise, in fact, to make sure that your mental health conditions are good. And whenever you have tough time, managing your emotional balance, talk to your counselors, talk to your people who are ready to listen to you. That's all from me. Hope
Thank
that
you so
answers
much,
you.
sir.
Thank you, Meera.
Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Yes, Aditya.
What causes mental health problem?
What causes mental health problem?
Yeah.
Imbalance in your emotions. I said that it keeps hanging there for a longer time. So if there is a problem and there's a mental problem like anxiety, depression, right? And why do you know why depression happens? Depression happens due to overthinking of what has happened in the past. आपके पास्ट में कुछ चीजें हुई हैं जिसकी वजह से आप डिप्रेस हो, और उसी चीज को लेके आप डिप्रेशन में जा रहे हो, तो वो मेंटल हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम बन गया, राइट? सेकेंडली सेकेंडली होता है एंजाइटी. एंजाइटी तब होता है जब आपको फ्यूचर को लेके टेंशन शुरू हो जाते हैं कि पैंडेमिक हो गया, मेरा जॉब कैसे रहेगा, मेरा बहुत मतलब आगे का लेके जब आप सोचने लगते हैं तो आपको बहुत ज्यादा एंजाइटी हो जाता है. मतलब आप सोच में ज्यादा टाइम, तो दैट इज ऑल्सो मेंटल हेल्थ कंडीशन. सो यू आर बॉदरिंग टू मच, राइट? So I would rather say that these are like related to mind, and whenever you have any problems, reach out to your counselors in the initial stage. क्योंकि आप जब ज्यादा डीप डिप्रेशन में जाते हो, ज्यादा एंजाइटी में जाते हो या स्ट्रेस में जाते हो, ठीक है, तो उससे क्या हो जाता है आपको, वो लेवल बढ़ने से आपका मेंटल इलनेस शुरू हो जाता है. इट स्टार्टेड इफेक्टिंग यू मेंटली एज वेल एज फिजिकली, क्योंकि मेंटल हमेशा फिजिकल के साथ में, it starts from your mind. So that is why if you don't consider or ignore it, then obviously there would be physical problems too in the coming days. It's
So
related to your physical thing.
how do I know?
I said, if it is already said in to one of the person
Hey, I
that
am
if
unwell. I am unwell. How do I know?
so there's a condition. If you are unwell, what is bothering you? How do you say that you are unwell? There's some noise outside.
हाँ. सस्मिता बंद करो ये ना. हेलो. हाँ.
Yes.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah.
So how do you know you are unwell? So
Yeah.
I would like to know if something is bothering you, you would know it better. So if there is some stress, it would not allow you to sleep, right?
Yeah.
आपकी नींद खराब हो जाएगी, आपको बहुत दिन से आप सो नहीं पा रहे हो, कुछ है जो आपके बॉदरेशन में चल रहा है, दिमाग में चल रहा है, आप सो नहीं पा रहे हो, आपको तकलीफ हो रही है, बार बार आपका डीप डिप्रेशन इसलिए हो रहा है, आपको तकलीफ ज्यादा हो रही है, किसी के बारे में सोच रहे हो बहुत ज्यादा, जरूरत से ज्यादा, तो वो आपको कहीं ना कहीं आपका खाना पीना थोड़ा सा कम हो गया है, आपके अंदर में एक्साइटमेंट नहीं है, कोई चीज को आगे फ्यूचर में कुछ करने का कुछ एक्साइटमेंट नहीं है, और आप बहुत कैजुअल हो, आप होपलेस हो गए हो. दीज आर द कंडीशंस वेयर यू गेट टू नो दैट यू आर नॉट वेल, राइट? समथिंग इज मिसिंग इन यू. आपको लग रहा है कोई चीज है जो कम, मैं कर तो रहा हूँ सब कुछ लेकिन कुछ कमी है इसमें. सो एट दिस टाइम व्हेन यू नॉट फीलिंग बैड, good about anything that is happening, you need to reach out to your counselor. वो आपको पूछेगा बेसिकली कि क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. सर मेरे को स्लीप नहीं हो पा रहा है, या फिर मेरे को बार बार सपना आता है और बड़ा बड़ा बुरा ख्याल आता है. So all these conditions you need to identify first, and then you reach out to somebody who is a professional, and then it helps you.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yeah, please Uttam, tell me.
Sir, we want to start a work also, and also we started the work, but after some days, we could not concentrate on it, and we stopped that work.
So why do you think it is bothering you? जो डेथ हुआ है, why do you think it is bothering you? वो उससे परेशान क्यों हो आप, पहले बताओ. लाइफ है, एक आदमी जल्दी चला जाएगा, कोई आदमी देर में जाएगा, कई लोग ऐसे हैं जो लंबा टाइम बिस्तर में ही गुजार देते हैं क्योंकि उनका हेल्थ का कंडीशन ऐसा रहता है, तो वैसे ही पड़े रहते हैं. उनकी भी तो लाइफ है एग्जैक्टली. ना वो मर सकते हैं ना जी सकते हैं, राइट? सो आपको ये देखना है कि आपको प्रॉब्लम किससे हो रहा है, मतलब क्या सोच रहे हो. देयर इज समथिंग दैट इज गोइंग ऑन योर माइंड, जिसकी वजह से आप कॉन्सेंट्रेट नहीं कर रहे हो. अभी जैसे मैंने बोला, आपके आसपास में बहुत सारे कलर्स हैं इस एनवायरनमेंट में, आपके घर के अंदर में जहाँ पे बैठे हो आप, बहुत सारे कलर्स हैं. पर मैंने जब आपको फोकस करने के लिए बोला, आपको ग्रीन कलर बोला या ऑरेंज बोला, आपने उसी कलर पे फोकस किया, राइट? तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि एग्जैक्टली आपको क्या करना है, क्या बॉदर कर रहा है, उससे कैसे आप बाहर एक्सेप्ट एंड मूव ऑन. आप एक्सेप्ट पहले करिए कि आप एग्जैक्टली क्या चीजें गलत हो रही हैं, मतलब आपको नींद नहीं आ रही है, आपको क्या चीज परेशान कर रही है, आप बताइए मेरे को. देन ओनली यू अंडरस्टैंड कि एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू शुड बी डूइंग, बिकॉज दिस इज ऑल्सो अ मेंटल हेल्थ कंडीशन दैट आपने किसी को लूज आउट कर दिया, लूजिंग आउट योर लव्ड वंस, एंड दैट हैज अ डीप इम्पैक्ट ऑन योर माइंड, विच इज ओके. बट उस इम्पैक्ट को लेके आप 2-3 दिन, 4 दिन, 7 दिन समझ में आता है, बट उस इम्पैक्ट को लेके महीनों और साल नहीं गुजार सकते.